Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Mo Nation.
What's up?
So go down, link in the description down below for his channel. So definitely go subscribe to him. He has some pretty awesome content, especially with this Pontiac G8 GT. All right, so now we're in the Pontiac G8 GT, and this is my first real ride in it. So I am super excited, and this car sounds amazing. So let's see how it actually sounds on the road. The shift we weren't even really on it, but I can still feel it kind of slammed in. Nice.
And anytime I kind of get on it like that, it's gonna shift hard.
Okay, that's pretty quick for a sedan. Wow. Okay.
The same as a big family sedan. I got two. Well, I don't have the other car seat. I got that car seat, the base. I got a bunch of stuff in the trunk for the baby. It's pretty quick.
But it sounds really good though. I will say that. It sounds incredible.
Back in no traction. You got no traction at all. Even nice. With I got 285s on the back and there's no traction at all.
So I will say with my car, with the new exhaust, there's a lot of drone. Yours doesn't really have drone at all.
Oh, that's because I'm not going that fast.
Okay.
Yeah. When we get somewhere where I can get up to speed, you gonna see.
Alright, so I do have some sad news. We need a moment of silence for the drone.
Play the song,
for the drone. So, doing some pretty awesome aerial shots. The drone kind of went into a tree.
My car had a chance. That definitely did feel a lot faster than my car. I feel like I'm all tucked in the seat and stuff. All the pop. It sounds good too, bro. The people around here gonna hate you. Yeah, why not? That was badass, I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, so that was really fun. We just finished up pretty much. He rode in my car, I rode in his. I got to experience them both. They're pretty awesome, but definitely go down. Link in the description down below to Mo Nation. Also, if you like this video, go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and to see more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching.